distributing bed nets, or call them mosquito nets. These nets have been given for free by the friends in the United States of America. And we are specifically giving them to students or children who are going to school. They want to use you or to use children who are in school to educate other people who are at home. Many people are dying of malaria, especially in Africa. And our main task is we use these nets correctly and then help other people to use these nets properly in order to save lives. How about you? How about me? What have you done to save a life? Yeah, these people do knitting, weaving, and then they sell these products. And the money they get, it is the money they use to buy nets like this. So we have to be grateful to them, pray for them, that they may continue with this noble work. Then we can't forget to thank the volunteers in Africa, Uganda, especially Reverend Father Christopher Mugisa Mujule. I don't know if some of you know him. Yeah, who is coordinating this part?
This afternoon, I'm so much delighted and very happy that we are going to receive some items, which items are none other than mosquito nets. Can we thank the Reverend Father again? I hope you know what are mosquito nets. Yes. Do you know them? Yes. What's the work of mosquito nets? Huh? How many of you do sleep under mosquito nets by show of hands? I'm going to count. By show of hands. So, Reverend Father, this also witness that we still have much to do to ensure that our pupils or children can sleep under mosquito nets so that they get the preventive measures from the killer malaria, which is destroying most of our children. You will also find that one of the factors that attributes to absenteeism is malaria. At least in a day, in Katulikire, we record more than 15 people come to our office so that they can be given permission to go back home. That's the attribute of malaria. That's why they absent themselves.
Head teachers already told us we are here for a simple but very important exercise. We are going to distribute bed nets, or we'll call them mosquito nets. But we also want to encourage you that if you work hard, then life gets better. We want also to thank the many elementary or primary children like you who collect the little money they get and buy these nets to save many lives. We have to thank them very much. They are young like you. There are others in secondary school, others in high school and universities doing the same to see to it that you have a healthy life. So we thank them very much. We pray for them that God may bless them and give them good life so that they may continue serving the world. Now, why do we use you children and why do we pick those in P7? We want to use you as change agent. Don't bury it in your heads, in your books, but take it back at home let it help you to change the environment where you are living. The family, the villages, the communities, and the entire country. That is our main purpose of being here. Yeah, use it properly, save life. And the class captains.